Halloween Party Pack, everything you need for a spooky celebration. Looking to elevate your Halloween celebrations to the next level? Look no further than the Halloween Party Bundle, a carefully curated collection of 7 spooky items designed to make your festivities unforgettable. Whether you're hosting a party or simply looking to add some extra flair to your Halloween decorations, this bundle is the perfect solution. With items ranging from eerie string lights to a spooky skeleton garland, the Halloween Party Bundle has everything you need to create a truly haunting atmosphere. Don't miss out on this incredible offer. Order your bundle today and get ready to spookify your Halloween. Presenting Halloween Party Pack. The Halloween Party Pack is a collection of digital, downloadable files that come in PDF, MP4 video, and MP3 audio formats. It includes everything needed to throw a fun and spooky Halloween party, including decorations, games, and recipes. Customers should note that they will need the free Acrobat Reader program to read the PDF files and may also need an unzipping program if they don't already have one on their computer. The pack is designed for easy use and is perfect for anyone looking to host a memorable Halloween party without the hassle of planning everything from scratch. The package, Halloween Party Pack, includes Halloween Planner. Stay organized and on top of your Halloween preparations with the comprehensive Halloween Planner. With 22 planner pages, you can keep track of everything from to-do lists to party planning. The planner includes sections for daily and weekly planners, meal planning, party planning, decoration planning, budgeting, costumes, guest lists, games, and activities. How to host a Halloween party guide. Impress your guests with the spookiest and most memorable party ever with the step-by-step Halloween party guide. This ebook provides tips and suggestions for preparing, decorating, food, entertainment, games, prizes, costumes, and more. With this guide, anyone can learn how to host a scary, fun, and exciting party that both kids and adults will enjoy. 35 Halloween games. Add some fun to your Halloween party with these easy and unique games. The Halloween Games Pack includes a variety of games suitable for all ages, such as candy corn relay race, chalk outlines, famous movie quotes, Halloween field box game, midnight mystery, and more. 77 Halloween recipes. Whip up some deliciously creepy treats with the Halloween Recipes Pack. This collection includes 77 recipes for Halloween-themed snacks, appetizers, drinks, and desserts. Some of the recipes included are eerie gooey eyeballs, giant warts, munchy mummy appetizer dip, bloody popcorn, witch's brew, Halloween punch, Halloween worms, and more. Halloween music. Get into the spooky spirit with 5 Halloween songs in MP3 format. The Halloween Music Pack includes classics such as Monster Mash, The Addams Family, Elmo Says Boo, Witches, 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 and Purple People Eater. Halloween sing-along video, Rap. Make your Halloween party even more fun with the Halloween sing-along video rap. This MP4 video file includes a rap song that everyone can sing karaoke style, perfect for a Halloween party. Halloween Story and Amp audio. Immerse yourself in the eerie world of Wraithfield Manor with the Halloween Story and Amp audio pack. This spooky Halloween story is available in both PDF and audio format for a chilling experience. Enjoy the haunting melody of Wraithfield Manor and get into the Halloween spirit. Note, images are for visualization purposes only. Why choose our Ultimate Halloween Party Pack Bundle? This is included in the Halloween Party Pack. Looking for an all-in-one Halloween party solution? Look no further than our Ultimate Halloween Party Pack Bundle. This bundle includes everything you need to create an unforgettable Halloween experience without the hassle of searching for ideas and resources. Our expert guidance ensures that your Halloween event will be a hit with your friends and family. Our party guide provides step-by-step instructions for hosting a Halloween event that will leave your guests spellbound. The Halloween Party Pack Bundle also includes endless entertainment options, from games that will keep both kids and adults occupied to recipes that will satisfy every ghoul's appetite. What sets our Halloween Party Pack Bundle apart is the exclusive content. You won't find this collection of Halloween goodness anywhere else. It's your secret weapon for an unforgettable night. So why wait? Get your hands on our Ultimate Halloween Party Pack Bundle and host the Halloween event of the year.